angry. Looking on. Every time in this fucking parking garage. I need to put something down. Am I going in a circle? No way. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. Oh my gosh, I just went in a circle. Oh my gosh. Jesus, take the wheel. I just saw this Mercedes. Okay. Is it this way? It's this way. Is it this way? Why am I asking, bro? I go here. I go to fuck here, bro. Yes, 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 yes. This nigga going the wrong way. We're gonna go this way. Slow down, because there be college students that be speeding in here. Yes, I'm college students. Let me see if I get a line on this. Yum. It's real loud. Like, I'm trying to make it as loud as I can. That shit's like, it's like, I don't know, it's quiet but loud. I might have to get an external mic on low. Tent dark as shit. Tent dark as shit. Oh. Let me see if I can get any sound in here. Probably not with all this wind. Maybe if I slow down. Just a hunch. GSP and not just like soil myself. Let me see. I thought that was J1 in the wild. I think he's turning. Let's hear his Mustang. His slander will be tolerated. That's a nice bike. Everyone told me that I can't get a bike, and I'd be like, why not? And then they'd be like, because bikes are dangerous. And I'm like, my argument is always, yeah, so is cars. But they're like, okay, but a car is like metal, there's a box and things like that. I don't know, that makes sense, but I guess I can see, because if you get hit by a car in another car, it's less detrimental than get slapped on a bike and it's just you and the bike, literally. And this is the scene that we meet again in. And I was explaining to y'all about that McDonald's over there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that shit literally doesn't look appetizing. I'd rather drink the gasoline from Texaco right here before I go over there and get anything from there. But whatever. What is this next to me? I can't see. Actually, I'm gonna leave it. Choose. And Mercedes with the buzzer beater. But yeah, I'm gonna stop right here because I'm not gonna let y'all know if it's right turn, left turn, straight, nothing. But we'll go ahead and catch y'all in the next one. Okay, hold on. Because I turned the camera back on, I decided to give y'all another pull before I head to my neighborhood. apartment complex doesn't have any long roads, so let's use this one. Not as turbo-y as it could be, but I'm probably terrorizing these people in neighborhoods. But yeah, little pull. This isn't my AMG, so it doesn't have launch control, but it's whatever. Get out and give you all a thumbnail right quick. Are there parking spots? I think there's these townhomes with the parking spots, hopefully. Bingo! Fuck a line, nigga. This we run this shit. I'm gonna show you how to park this. Boom. Boom. Nigga. Nigga. And this bitch is turbo, nigga. Turbo. Fuck y'all, young boy. No, I'm just playing. I'm gonna see y'all the next one. Another Instagram video. No, another IG poll. That's what it is. IG poll coming up. And then y'all gonna vote what I drive next out of my garage. Hence why it's called Duhfe's Fleet. If you know, you know. But yeah, let me go to my house though, cause then they're gonna think I'm trying to rob them or something. I don't know. Get the Mercedes Benz on the floor before I go.